Many of Hollywood's business practices amount to blatant discrimination and restraint of trade, and this is why a serious lack of diversity exists at every level of the movie industry.
Restraint of trade is any limitation on trade using the free market as the standard. Are we preventing consumers from exercising real choice over products? Are we preventing producers from offering products to consumers?
One doesn't have to be Nostradamus to predict that most of the people that work on the Hollywood movies are not Latino, not Arabs or Muslims, not blacks, Asians, or females, not Christians, and especially not conservatives. And guess what? You can be sure the control group is no different because all of the employment discrimination descends from the control group itself.
The phrase lack of diversity, which I use in my writing, is simply talking about the fact that there are not a lot of different kinds of people, racial, ethnic, gender, at the top in Hollywood. As I said, we're talking about 2% women. I think one African American. There were no African Americans in my original study, one maybe since then in those studio head positions or those top 3 studio positions. No Latino, one Latino I think in my study out of 226 people. No Native Americans, no Asian Americans. That's a real lack of diversity in Hollywood.
In summary, with the demise of the studio system, Hollywood's modus operandi has been to circle the wagons, build huge walls with guarded gates, and establish a bunker mentality that rejects not only all the unsolicited screenplays, but all unsolicited people, places, and things. Hollywood even rejects the very concept of diversity itself, and this is why everyone is screaming at the Oscars.